Your lease expiration date can arrive sooner than you expect, and waiting until the last minute to contact your landlord could leave you scrambling to find a new place to live. A well-written lease renewal request letter allows you to express your interest in staying at the property while giving your landlord enough time to review your request and prepare a new lease agreement before your current lease expires. Whether you want to renew your lease under the same terms or are open to discussing changes, submitting a professional request demonstrates responsibility and respect for your landlord. A clear lease renewal request letter also helps avoid misunderstandings and gives both parties the opportunity to negotiate any updates before the current lease ends. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Nathan Brooks, 1842 Willow Creek Drive, Denver, CO 80211, United States, 303-555-8427, nathan.brooks@email.com. This section identifies who is requesting the lease renewal and provides your landlord with accurate contact information. Make sure your current address matches the rental property so there is no confusion about which lease you want to renew. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, August 3rd, 2026. The date establishes when your renewal request was submitted. Sending your request well before your lease expires gives your landlord sufficient time to review your request and prepare the necessary paperwork if it is approved. Recipient information. Next, write your landlord's or property manager's information. For example, Melissa Carter, Evergreen Property Management, 785 Oak Street, Denver, CO 80203, United States. This directs your request to the person responsible for managing your lease agreement. Addressing the correct individual or property management company helps ensure your request reaches the appropriate decision-maker. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, request for lease renewal. The subject immediately informs your landlord of the purpose of your letter. A clear subject line allows your request to be identified quickly and filed with your tenancy records. Salutation. Address your landlord professionally. For example, Dear Ms. Carter, using a respectful greeting establishes a positive and professional tone from the beginning of your letter. Even if you know your landlord personally, maintaining a formal tone is appropriate for lease-related correspondence. Opening paragraph. Now explain that you would like to renew your lease. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request the renewal of my lease for the property located at 1842 Willow Creek Drive, Denver, Colorado, 80211. My current lease is scheduled to expire on September 30th, 2026, and I would like to continue renting the property for an additional 12 months. I have truly enjoyed living here and would appreciate the opportunity to remain in the property under a renewed lease agreement. This opening paragraph clearly explains the purpose of your letter while identifying the property, the lease expiration date, and the length of the renewal you are requesting. Including these important details immediately allows your landlord to understand your request without having to search through previous lease records. Submitting your renewal request several weeks before your lease expires shows responsibility and gives both parties enough time to complete the renewal process. Positive tenancy paragraph. Next, explain why you would like to continue renting the property. For example, I have enjoyed living at the property and greatly appreciate the safe, comfortable, and well-maintained living environment you have provided throughout my tenancy. During my time as a tenant, I have made every effort to comply with the terms of the lease agreement by paying my rent on time each month, maintaining the property in good condition, promptly reporting maintenance concerns, and fulfilling all of my responsibilities as outlined in the lease. This paragraph reminds the landlord that you have been a responsible tenant while expressing appreciation for the property. Mention positive aspects of your tenancy and briefly summarize how you have met your obligations. Highlighting your reliability can strengthen your renewal request and reassure the landlord that extending your lease would be a positive decision. Keep your statements honest and focus on facts that reflect your tenancy history. Lease renewal terms paragraph. Now explain your preferred renewal terms. For example, if possible, I would appreciate renewing the lease under the current terms and conditions. However, I understand that circumstances may have changed, and I am willing to discuss reasonable adjustments to the monthly rent, lease duration, or other lease provisions if necessary. My goal is to reach a mutually beneficial agreement that allows me to continue residing at the property. This paragraph clearly explains what you hope to achieve while demonstrating flexibility if negotiations become necessary. Although many tenants prefer to keep the same lease terms, showing a willingness to discuss reasonable changes reflects a cooperative attitude and can help facilitate productive discussions with your landlord. Approaching lease negotiations respectfully often leads to better outcomes for both the tenant and the landlord. Request for next steps paragraph. Next, ask about the renewal process. For example, please let me know if there are any documents, renewal forms, or additional steps required to complete the lease renewal process. I would appreciate your response at your earliest convenience so that we can finalize the renewal before my current lease expires and avoid any interruption to my tenancy. This paragraph encourages communication and shows that you are ready to complete any requirements necessary for renewal. Asking about the next steps also helps prevent unnecessary delays and demonstrates your commitment to completing the process on time. Replying promptly to your landlord's requests can help make the renewal process faster and more efficient. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. I appreciate your attention to my request and look forward to continuing my tenancy at the property. I sincerely hope we can complete the renewal process soon. This closing paragraph expresses appreciation while ending your request on a positive and professional note. A courteous conclusion reinforces your interest in maintaining a good landlord-tenant relationship. A respectful closing often leaves a stronger impression than simply ending the letter after making your request. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Nathan Brooks. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Signing your name confirms that you are making the renewal request and provides clear identification for your landlord when reviewing your file. Before submitting your lease renewal request letter, carefully review every detail to ensure the property address, lease expiration date, requested renewal term, and contact information are accurate. Submit your request well before your lease expires and remain open to discussing reasonable lease terms if necessary. A strong lease renewal request is professional, respectful, and clearly demonstrates your desire to continue being a responsible tenant while making the renewal process easier for both you and your landlord. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.